Lilah, and today I'm going to be reviewing a 20-piece puppy in my pocket set. This has an exclusive puppy hidden inside, and I took a peek, and it's one of the really, really rare ones. And I have my list with me, and my mom was just shopping, and she found this, and she asked me if I wanted it, and I said yes. So let's get started. Start another. Ooh, at the bottom you can open it. I'm not going to show you the ultra rare one yet. Okay. They seal this really well. Okay, finally got it. I'm going to show you the ultra rare pup last. I give you a hint, it's ultra rare, but I'm not telling you which ultra rare one it is. So the first one is this one. Let me see which one she is. So, who are you? This is Scotty. So I'm going to check off Scotty. Okay. Scotty. Okay. Scotty doesn't love to stand up. Okay. And I actually already have this one. Okay. Let's go with you. Okay. We have this one. Who are you? Let's see. So he is Sparky. Let's check off Sparky. Next puppy. We have this little guy. So cute. Who are you? You have a little bow and flower in your hair. This is Sammy. If I'm right. Sammy. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We have Corey. Come on, Corey. Okay. So we have this guy. He is Corey. Okay. So cute. He's really cute. He's got a bandana. What was that? Yay. Now we have a little poodle. Gigi. As I thought, a poodle. Okay. Ooh, this guy's super cute. Okay, you go. We have Chelsea. Chelsea's got a crown on. King, or queen on the list. And if you want to know the breed, King Charles Spaniel. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, we have this little guy. He or she is Georgie. Okay. Okay, we now have Zoe. I actually have Zoe, so I might give this away. We have Maggie, which I do have, but Maggie. Yes, we have Maggie. We have Winston. I actually have Winston. Now we have this little girl or guy, which is Katie, I think. Katie. So cute. She's all black. Okay, so now we have some of the mini ones. that are the smaller kind. We have this little teeny guy. Let me see if the teenies are on the list. Let me see if the teenies are on the list. See if any of the other teenies are on the list. I do not think teenies are on the list. But we got this teeny. Yeah, this teeny. The teenies are adorable. Got this teeny. Oh. And last of all, we got this teeny. And there's one more thing in the set. And we will find out what it is. It is ultra rare pup. It is the pink glittery ultra rare pup. Ultra rare, ultra rare. It says on here, the ones with glitter, ultra rare. So I get to check off an ultra rare one. So I had a ton of fun doing this. I love Puppy and Kitty in my pocket. I think they're super cute, super teeny, and super fun. So, hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to check out my channel because I have lots of videos like this. And make sure to subscribe. Bye!